Friends, Namaste. Unscientific and huge use of pesticide is creating pesticide poisoning across the country. Even it is causing hazardous diseases, even like cancer, nervous damage, like that. When a person is admitted by stating some poisonous cases, it may be considered as food poisoning or food infection because to state it as pesticide poisoning, there is a need of clinical tests which are not done at our primary level. As per the AIMS report, 63% are pesticide poisoning alone out of all the poisoning cases reported. The problem is farmers are unaware of the safe use of pesticides and the recommended doses of the pesticides. Whenever they are visiting any of the pesticide shops, they will be misguided with wrong molecules or the molecules which are not at all required for their problem. In this situation, what farmer will do? Instead of taking the right thing, he will take even the other things which are not required. Here his cost of cultivation also increases, and due to heavy doses, his crop will also get damaged. And due to consistent use of the same pesticide, pests will also get resistance, because of which even after repeated sprays also the damage won't be controlled. For this, farmers need to be trained and educated continuously. As per the reports, even in the recent years, GM crops, like in Indian conditions, the only crop which is under GM regulations and cultivation is cotton. Apart from the pest on which it is having control, other pests are prevalent, and for that, huge pesticide sprays are required. Along with that, if some chemicals are banned, government has to give some alternate chemicals, which is not done yet. Consistent use of same pesticide causes huge problem, and how to regulate all these things? Whenever some new molecule is coming to the market, that should be strictly tested. Many of the fake companies, many of the unauthorized companies and some institutes are going to farmers' field and they are giving some pesticides which are not at all required and which are highly hazardous to their health. So government has to make a strict regulation on this. They should make a nationwide helpline number for farmers, civilians, as well as for the scientists, and they should bring all of them under single umbrella, and farmers should be given more knowledge on integrated pest management as well as how to use safe pesticides at village level, at taluk level, or at district level, even at a small level. Through self-help groups as well as village level groups, farmers should be trained. They should be given knowledge about use of pesticide as well as many chemicals and agricultural practices in which they can get more income as well as reduce these hazardous things. With that, they can contribute for environmental safety as well as for our health. Thank you.